Hi, hello, what's up? Sit back, hold tight, because you're watching Megabytes with me, PK. Today is a really fun challenge with our celebrity guest, Mr. Badass of Bollywood, Abhilash. Take it away. So today is a really fun challenge, which is called the Know It All Challenge. So what happens in the Know It All Challenge is that we have 5 categories, out of which 3 categories have to be picked, and you have 20 seconds to do it.
Okay.
And in case if so basically with every round there's one loser,
Okay.
and what the loser is going to get on the face is this gorgeous color of lipstick. For example, let's say you've lost the first round.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is
Just imagine you lost the first
no, you've lost the
Do the
first
other
round.
way.
You lost the first round, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to like paint his face.
Let me see. So I'll keep it in my hand because you're gonna lose anyway.
We'll see. Start?
Yeah.
Okay. So, the categories are characters from the movie Kal Ho Na Ho,
Okay.
French words,
Okay.
perfume brands under 500 rupees,
Under 500.
under 500 rupees, Indian beer brands, mind you, Indian beer brands,
Indian beer brands. So I'm not
Or-
into alcohol, so yeah.
or Chinese food names. So, pick the first category.
Somewhat difficult. Chinese food names.
Chinese food names?
I love Chinese.
Okay, so do I. So let's see which way this challenge goes.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so timer's on. If you say something wrong,
Okay.
or if I say something wrong, we can challenge that.
Okay.
So let's say I've said like some random word which does not make sense,
Okay.
which in regard to Chinese food. So we
Okay.
can challenge it. If I'm wrong, then I'm the loser of that round.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So every time you stop, you have to pause it and then you have to start again.
Okay.
Okay? The first category is Chinese food names.
1,
2,
3,
3,
start. Chicken triple.
Chicken Manchurian.
Hakka noodle.
Manchao.
Manchao. Garlic noodle.
Chili paneer.
Chili paneer is not Chinese.
It is Chinese.
It's Indian. Chili
It's-
paneer. Paneer.
So
Paneer.
it's Chinese. It's a Chinese food. It's a Chinese menu. It's Indian Chinese. If I Google the menu right
Chili
now,
paneer is not Chinese. आप बताएंगे.
If I.
It's not. It's not Chinese. Yeah.
What did you say?
I said Hakka noodle.
Acha.
Hakka noodle is Chinese. Hakka noodle is Chinese, huh? I love
I
Chinese.
thought we were doing Indian.
अब सर का चेहरा बनाएंगे हम इस बेबी पिंक एक्चुअली बेबी पर्पल से रंगीन सो
Okay. Let's get this over with.
अब हम बनाएंगे इनके दिल इनको नजर ओके थैंक्स ओके इनको नजर ना लगे थोड़ा आगे उधर
You know, revenge is sweet.
रीसेट
Now it's my turn to pick a category, and I'm going to pick.
शुड आई गिव यू द ऑप्शंस नाउ
No, these are the options.
व्हाई इट्स नॉट फेयर मे बी यू मस्ट बी फेमिलियर विद ऑल दोस
Okay, you pick. Well, clearly I wasn't familiar because if I put this on my face.
ओके सो
Fair. If I was familiar, I won't be having this on my face.
ओके सो इट्स योर टर्न नाउ
Okay, you pick the category. You know, since you're the
Okay.
guest, you just pick the category.
सुपर मुझे फ्रेंच आती है और इनको पता नहीं था सो आई चूज फ्रेंच फ्रेंच
I don't know French. I know nothing about French.
सो आप मैं तुम्हारे लिप्स से उठा लेता हूँ
You really know French?
I know French.
What the?
सर मैं बहुत टैलेंटेड हूँ अपने मुंह मिट्टू नहीं भरूंगा
Start.
इच
Mercy.
लीवे
Bonjour.
दिश wait
Wow, sorry, sorry.
bonjour is not French
Is it not?
it's not French
It is French.
it's not French
Of course it is.
bonjour kawasawa tejali it's a Canadian language
No, but it's French Canada also, no?
it's not
Bonjour is a greeting in
it's
France.
their
Okay, we have to Google this.
it's their regional language bonjour
French.
I know
Bonjour
you,
is-
bonjour kawasawa tejali it's mean how are you
Bonjour is just a greeting in France. That's it. I didn't even complete that. Google it. I challenge it. Do the French people say bonjour or not?
yeah even they say hello
Do
also
they
when they come
say-
to India they say hello
do
also
they say
namaste
bonjour
they say
or
namaste
not?
also what
You have.
नमस्ते इंडियन लैंग्वेज है ठीक है हिंदी है बट हमारी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस भी हैं कुछ गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? मराठी में नमस्ते को कुछ और बोलते हैं.
हाँ, but
तो
then
वही मैं
yeah,
प्रूव करने की
no,
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. That's the regional language.
we are not getting so literal. We are not getting so literal just because you have a degree in French. Okay.
I don't have a degree in French.
You know what? We are going to move on. Let's just say we're just going to move on. Okay, we're going to be fair and we're going to move on with the French.
Jithem.
Poulet.
जवातो बेसे.
Off. It's egg. OEUFF is eggs in French. Thank you, chef course. That's what I get from my degree.
Okay. Bonjo kawasawa tejale.
Poisson. You have to start your timer, and that's going while you're thinking.
Ish libedish.
Hors d'oeuvres.
Ich.
Burr.
Liebe.
You said that.
I said
you
ich
said
liebe
it.
dich.
No, you used this word before also.
आप
Liebe
recording
was
में
the
check
first
कर
one.
लीजिए. आप recording में check कर लीजिए. I said initially ich liebe dich, then ich, then liebe.
Okay.
They are all different words.
Okay.
ये wrong claim कर रहे हैं मतलब ये हार चुके हैं.
नहीं हार
not
नहीं
fair,
अपनी
ये 2 बार wrong claim कर चुके हैं.
तुमने
अब मुझे इतनी रेंज आती है इससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता. आप हार चुके हैं. मैं लिप
One more. Wait, no. One more. We are still carrying on.
आपको
We are still
अगर
carrying
आप
on.
नहीं बोलेंगे
I just said that you've said this before. I didn't say that it's wrong.
but it was a wrong claim.
It wasn't. Claims
wasn't.
don't have to be wrong. Claims are fine.
You
Your claim was wrong. Anyway, you have like 0.4 seconds left. I have 7 seconds.
वो तुम चला ही नहीं रहे हो उसको.
अच्छा चलाने क्या? He has 19 seconds left.
आप मुझे बताओ
You
क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि हम
have
5
lost
मिनट
this
से
challenge.
हम 5
Be
मिनट
a
से
sport. You've lost this challenge.
मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन बोलूंगा उससे ये लूजर साबित हो जाएंगे. ठीक है सर. हमने कम से कम 10-12 वर्ड्स तो बोले हैं. ठीक है. पर वर्ड अगर आप
This
एक
is-
सेकंड में
this is the
लगाओ
justification
नहीं,
of a
अगर आप
loser.
एक सेकंड में
This is
लगाओ
the
तो
justification.
7 सेकंड कैसे हो सकते हैं? बताओ.
पता
आप
वो
zoom
नहीं
कीजिए,
बोले.
आप zoom
पता
कीजिए,
नहीं,
आप
पता
zoom
नहीं.
कीजिए.
Listen, पता-
ये हार चुके हैं. ये चीटर है.
Nonsense.
ये हार चुके हैं. अब
Bullshit.
हार चुके हैं. अब
That's bullshit.
अब
You know what?
अब ये अब
You want to do this?
अब इस
Fine.
purple
It's just that
lipstick-
I'm a sport. Do it.
He's a
Do
loser.
it.
He's a loser. I'm a winner.
So, अब मैं पर्पल लिपस्टिक के चेहरे का भरता बनाऊंगा. देखो. ओके. अरे मुझे बनाइए ना फिलहाल जैसी. क्या न्यू लिपस्टिक? ओके, that's it.
Look at his face.
So he wanted a new shade of lipstick. Well, we just confirmed that bonjour is a French word. So just for that, you're going to get both the colors. Are you ready? आजा.
अब ये
आजा.
इनका बात दिल रख लेते हैं.
आजा.
नेक्स्ट आने वाले तो उसके हिसाब से करना. करारा बदला मिलेगा तुम्हें इसका. करारा जवाब मिलेगा. चुगले.
It's okay. अब मैं इनको कैटेगरी
I
देने
have
वाला
so
हूँ.
much nonsense on my face.
ठीक है?
How would I have prepared anything?
That's your hard luck. मैं बहुत लकी हूँ. It's his hard luck. So मैं
Very
इनको जो
lucky.
कैटेगरी देने वाला हूँ. It's okay.
That's how lucky you are.
मैं दोनों लिपस्टिक से इनके चेहरे पे ज्योग्राफी का
Let's
सारे
see.
मैप्स बनाने वाला हूँ.
अच्छा,
ज्योग्राफी से
wait,
याद आया.
wait.
ज्योग्राफी से याद आया. अब हम जो गेम करने वाले हैं उसमें आपको स्टेट्स के नाम लेने हैं. नॉट इंडिया बट यूएस. यस. स्टॉप वॉच. रीसेट. नो.
Start?
मैं आप
Okay,
स्टार्ट कर
okay,
दो.
I'll start. California,
अलास्का.
Ohio,
Alabama,
Florida,
Arizona,
Texas,
Mississippi,
Washington,
Georgia,
Nevada,
North Carolina.
Mississippi.
मैंने बोला Mississippi.
मिस्टर पीके के चेहरे को मिसिसिपी की तरह बनाऊंगा. ओके, फाइन. अब इसके लिए ना मैं क्या करा ये टॉगल हटा दूं. आ जाओ. पहले इनकी बनाएंगे हम 3 आंख. ठीक है. अब ये कितने सुंदर चेहरे पे नजर नहीं. We're doing another round. लाएंगे नीचे सिरमा. और नाक यहाँ सुपनेखा की नाक कट गई. तो और इनको देंगे हम चार्ली चैपलिन की मूंछ. अब इनके लिपस्टिक को थोड़ा और रंगीन बनाए. एक सेकंड. लेट्स मेरा जोकर फेस ना. मैं जीत ही गया हूँ. बाय सो सीरियस.
Okay.
So-
Are you done?
Well, so
Are you done?
Best of 3 मैं तीनों जीत गया हूँ.
How
So-
have you won 3? I won the French one.
Oh.
Anyway. So.
Okay. Sorry यार जोकर मुझे लगा मैं जीत चुका हूँ. But
That's all right. And I hope you had fun on this episode.
yes,
I had a lot of fun.
very much.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment below in the comment section. Please like it. Please share it. Check out his YouTube channel, which is
Abhilash Kumar official and my social media as well on Twitter, Instagram, everything is Abhilash
everything.
Kumar.
Check out everything. Of his. Go
Everything.
stalk him right now on Google. Just Google him and start stalking him. Find out where he lives and go basically hound him. Thank you for
you so much,
watching.
thank you so much,
See you
thank you so
another
much.
episode. Peace out.